Believe it or not, this sneaker right here has been selling like hotcakes, as most websites and stores have pretty much sold out, especially in the bigger sizes. A lot of the OGs have major respect for this shoe right here, and you new sneakerheads, you might want to go ahead and give these a second look. What's going on YouTube, Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel? Happy Sunday to everybody out there. Today, I'm bringing you my official second unboxing here of 2024. And man, these shoes, classic pair. But the label on here reads, Airmax2 CB94 White Black Old Royal. All right, so taking a look here, we have the traditional box, flipping open the lid, and here we have the sneakers. I went ahead and folded back that tissue paper because when I initially looked at these, it was all torn up and I didn't really want to subject you to that sight. So let me go ahead and push this box off here to the side, guys, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the left shoe first. And first thing you'll notice, you have all white leather all over the shoe, and it's pretty tumbled looking, but it's not the softest leather. It's pretty stiff. I would give it a grade, you know, probably a 6 out of 10 as far as the quality of the leather is concerned. But moving on from that, you do have these black circles here that are on the lateral and medial side. These are air vent holes, guys, for the shoe themselves. You do have Nike Air written here on the lateral side by the ankle area there on the shoe. You got a Nike check mark here down in the midsole. On the back of the heel, you have Nike Air there stamped in black, or I guess painted, or I don't even know what you call that. It's some kind of sticker, I guess you could say, that they placed on the back there. You do have your black pull tab that's back here, and this pull tab is actually attached to the booty system that's on the inside of this sneaker. Now, taking a look here, you can see the inside of that booty. They're calling this Old Royal. A lot of people keep referring this to purple, but let me tell you something. This looks pretty blue to me, and I have a purple shirt on, so when I hold this up to my shirt, yeah, it's definitely not a match. But you can see here, it's blue on the inside, but the rest of this booty is all black mesh. And let me go ahead and give you guys a nice good look at that there on the inside. Now, Tinker Hatfield designed this shoe as well, and Tinker Hatfield is the same person that gave us the Air Max Big Bubbles. They actually did not attach the boot to the heel of the shoe, but in the Jordan 7 and Jordan 8, which also feature the same style boot, they actually did do that. So putting these on, you're definitely going to want to hold this pull tab pretty tight, putting your foot in there, otherwise your heel is going to catch on and smush this down, and yeah, it's going to be kind of a rough time trying to put these on, guys. But down there on the insole foot pad, it's all white, and you got Nike Air written down there. The other thing I'll tell you is I'm a narrow-footed person, and these things are pretty tight around my foot. So tight that they have a shoe tree, and look what it does here to the shoe tree, guys. I mean, that's pretty smushed. If you recall, this is almost the same type of shoe tree that we used to get in our Jordans, right? And look at this here. Yeah, that's what they used to look like, and this is what they look like now coming out of these CB94s. So if you're a wide foot person, I would definitely recommend going half a size up. But I would also say that even going half a size up, these are probably going to feel pretty stiff on you because of these elastic bands that they have here going across the sneaker as well, that go a part of the lacing system. These definitely make it to where this shoe is really hugging your feet pretty decently. So maybe even a full size up might be the most comfortable. Me personally, these fit pretty snug. Like I said, after a few wears, they should break in okay. The midsole itself here, all black midsole. You do get the Nike check mark there in white, and you are seeing the exposed air sole unit here in the back of the heel, reminiscent of most Air Max model shoes. And you do have Air Max 2 there written at the top of the tongue. But looking here, you do have a window there in the heel, and it does say Nike Air in there, which is again in blue. And then you got the blue check mark there on this white. I don't even know what this is. I mean, it's kind of grippy there to the touch, but most of the outsole here is all black, guys. And I will tell you this here is an iconic classic silhouette, and I'm very happy that they're bringing these out, and these are so freaking clean. So what are your thoughts on the CB94 Old Royals, guys? Is this a cop for you? Was this a pass? Listen, it was a hard cop for a lot of people, guys. These were selling like hotcake in a lot of places. I kid you not. A lot of the websites especially have sold out in a lot of these pairs, and I believe the Sneakers app is all but sold out of these as well. So let me know what you guys think of these. In any case, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscriber button, click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. In any case, this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.